Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix a no internet connection. Please retry when connected to internet. So guys, when you have open Roblox on your phone and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back, and guys, after going to back you have to open your settings first, and now you have to click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And now you have to scroll it down. From here you have to click on app management, click on app list, and guys, after this from here you have to search Roblox. So guys, now you have to click on storage and cache, and simply you have to clear cache of your Roblox app, and now you have to go back. Guys, after this you have to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on system, click on reset phone, and from here you have to reset your Wi-Fi settings or reset your network settings. After doing this, you need to make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically, and guys, now after this you have to go back. And guys, if you're using iPhone, you have to open App Store in that phone, and if you're using Android, you have to open Play Store, and here you need to search Roblox. And guys, now you have to search here Roblox only or Roblox game, and you have to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing all these settings, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use Roblox without any interruption. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.